What is literacy? Most of us are familiar with the term literacy, and some of you may have heard of information literacy but are not exactly sure what it is. It turns out that information literacy is the ability to find information, translate it into meaning and understanding, and create good new ideas, according to McKinsey 2000. Also, it is the ability to recognize when information is needed and to locate, evaluate, effectively use, and communicate information in its various formats. Information literacy can be divided into 5 separate components. Let's take a look at how each of these components applies to success in real life. The first component is about identifying the nature and extent of the information you need. Example is identifying the events of transaction to be recorded in journal. The second component means you can find the needed information effectively and efficiently. For example, locating a book in a library by using its call number and choosing the best keywords and phrases by searching online or by library databases. The third is the ability to evaluate the information you find and its source critically. This includes posting the journal entries to the ledger and preparing the trial balance worksheet and adjusting entries to make sure that the events of transactions are balanced. The fourth component is about applying the information effectively to accomplish a specific purpose. An example is applying your knowledge of accounting in your chosen field of work. The final component of information literacy is to acknowledge the sources of information you use. To do this well, you must understand the ethical, legal, and socioeconomic issues surrounding information. An example of these is utilizing copyright, Creative Commons, public domains, and fair use guidelines. Which are not information literacy? Library skills. Information literacy is not library instruction or library skills. Library skills focus on helping students understand how to use specific resources, that is, the mechanic of the resources. While literacy skills do include accessing information, they go far beyond that to using and thinking about information. Computer literacy. Information literacy also is not the same as computer literacy. Computer literacy generally means that a person has keyboarding skills and ability in using the computer and in manipulating software. Thinking about information and applying it are basic tenets of an information literate person. Digital literacy. A digital literate person will consider the author of the information a clue to the accuracy and bias of the information. Unlike books and magazines, which are overseen by editors, online resources can be posted by individuals without expertise in a given field. Digital literacy can be used in teaching information literacy. Media literacy. Media literacy is not the same as information literacy. A media literate student can critically analyze visual messages from billboard signs, magazines, television, the internet, and video and recognize the influence of those media on people. Information literacy skills are vital to success in your personal, professional, and academic life. It promotes problem-solving approaches and thinking skills, asking questions and seeking answer, finding information, forming opinions, evaluating sources, and making decisions, fostering successful learners. Effective contributors, confident individuals, and responsible citizens.